Hey reviewers, and welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys have been well. You may have noticed recently that on the new intros I've got RideTech Moto on there. Well, RideTech have now become a channel sponsor stroke partner, and I was originally speaking to them about getting a helmet mount which is bespoke for my Scorpion helmet, and I just wanted to give you a bit of a heads up about who they are and what they do. So predominantly, yes, they're going to do custom mounts, and these are all of the manufacturers that they work with on the screen now. So what you can do, if one of these is yours and you're looking for that perfect GoPro camera mount, you can click on this and you can find the exact one, and they're custom made, and I can assure you they're absolutely awesome because I use it. And then you also get a safety tether as well, and yeah, you can make sure that you're obviously legal and you've got all the bits in place to make sure you protect your equipment, because these things, as we all know, are expensive. In addition to the mounting systems, I also do some pretty sweet t-shirts there, so you've got your apparel, which is pretty cool, and then LCD flip kits. So these are pretty awesome as well. So if you've got like an MT-07 for example, here's the flip kit on there, and what you can do is transform it from this one here into this on the right hand side. And I think that's really cool. They also do accessories and helmets as well, and I just wanted to let you know about RideTech because they've got a sale on starting tomorrow for a couple of days, and if you use the code Rev-views, you're going to get an extra 10% off. Okay guys, that was it for this one. Thanks very much. Check them out if you're interested. Stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.